The Stork Car Seat Bag 3-in-1 revolutionizes family air travel by allowing you to transport your child's seat with ease, whether rolling it like a suitcase, wearing it as a backpack, or attaching it to luggage. Designed with your comfort in mind, this travel bag features ergonomic backpack straps and smooth 360-degree wheels, ensuring stress-free navigation through airports. You can gate check your worries away with its spacious design that accommodates not only the car seat, but also other essential baby travel items thanks to the lockable zippers and additional storage options. The car seat cover is built to endure long journeys with its triple-layer protection made from waterproof and tear-resistant materials, ensuring durability and safety. Crafted by a dedicated USA-based company, the bag reflects a commitment to quality, focusing on safeguarding the very item that protects your child. Combining practicality with robust design, the Stork Car Seat Bag 3-in-1 is a top-tier choice for parents seeking a reliable travel solution for their child's car seat.